My take on programming language is fairly simple. I first try to find out that if I'm learning any particular programming language, what I'm going to get out of it. Because I'm going to give my time, I'm going to give my effort for learning that particular programming language. And if you look at the programming language, every single programming language has the same modular structure. Like they have the variable, they have the function, they have the different methods which you can call. It has a similarity, but the syntax or the structure will be different, but they have the similar structure. One is faster than the other. So if I'm starting as a complete beginner and I want to have the maximum coverage, for example, that if I pick a programming language which allow me to work on a decentralized ecosystem as a centralized system, back end, front end, or even I can use the AI infrastructure to include in my project. So which environment is better, which programming language is better in this particular scenario? So there I always pick JavaScript. As you know that whatever project we have developed on our channel, that's all revolve around JavaScript, Node.js. And when we are building with the AI project, we are also using it because all the AI infrastructure, all the API models, they have their own SDK and that's written in JavaScript. So you will have the wider range if you learn JavaScript, and that will help you to get into the industry faster because 90% or 99% of the project you will find are built on top of this. Like 95% is fairly somehow or the other they have utilized this particular JavaScript framework in their project. So that's the one you have to pick. That's how you have to categorize and build the circles around yourself, that where you will have the most of the leverage. Because as a beginner, as an intermediate, the first intention you should have that you should gather as many information as you want. You have to make yourself capable enough to build any type of project. So once you will have that capability, then it will be very easy for you to get into the industry because you have the wider range. You can go with AI, blockchain, back end, front end. You will have the wider scope. And once you step into the industry, then you will automatically understand that which kind of industry required what type of technology. Because coding is not a small thing that once you learn one thing, after that you can simply forget about the learning. It's a constant learning process. You will find that every single day some new frameworks, some new tools, something new is coming into this industry. So it's moving very fastly, and that's how you have to adapt. And the reason why I'm focusing on the JavaScript, because every single is built on top of one another. So there is a root level, and after that any technology is getting added on top of that. Think of like a JavaScript. Earlier we used to write a lot of code, but now we came with the React, then we have Next.js. So we have different framework. All are taking the same JavaScript model, but they are making the things very easy for us. So that's kind of things you have to understand. So this is how you have to think, that where you will have most of the advantage. And that's why I always recommend to my students, or whenever I'm just suggesting anyone to start their career as a developer, then they have to focus on JavaScript. Because once you will have the understanding of one programming language, it will be easy for you to go to a different segment and learn about other programming language, because you already know the fundamentals. So all you have to do is to learn about the syntax and the models, and you can easily able to ready in that particular programming language. That's going to be very easy for you. And the best part of this JavaScript, that if you really want to take a switch in blockchain development, then Solidity is there, which is a totally 80% bio copy of the JavaScript. You will have the same class constructor, variable type, function, loops. It has the exact model which you can simply replicate, and you will have your smart contract up and running, and you will understand that how to write the contract. And after that, you will use this SDK we have, which is also written in JavaScript, where they talk about libraries for smart contract connection, blockchain interaction, or reading the data, writing the data on the blockchain, building a security model, authentication. That's all you can control. So if you want to become a blockchain developer, it's one of the programming language which you have to start, which you can easily able to cover in let's say 1 month. I'm not telling you to be master in JavaScript, because that's not the ideal approach which you have to take as a beginner or intermediate. Like you can start with the 5%, like learn about the variable, learn about the function, learn about the loops. Once you have the understanding, after that build project. The more you will build, automatically you will understand that how you're going to utilize it, and you will see practically right in front of you that how these things are coming into the picture. And after that you can say build complex project. You will get understanding. This is the fastest way to learn anything and have a wider exposure and give to yourself. So those are things you have to keep in mind.